So we are with the senior leadership of WEFIRE at IMTEX 2025. Let's find out about the new products that they have on display for us. What's new that you have on display at IMTEX 2025?
Hi, thank you for having me. We have products related to fire suppression itself, but catering to a smaller market, or rather the market target audience would be who are MSMEs who can afford a fire suppression system, right? And to make an impact in this show, we've also actually showcased a machine which is actually burnt, just to make an impact and show the reality of how a machine fire can really destroy a whole business. And yeah,
Right. So if you can talk about your India plans, what are the new products that you have in the pipeline? What is the kind of growth figures that you are anticipating in the coming next 1 year?
so India plans, obviously WeFire is our core business where this is our bread and butter. And we do have other brands or other businesses which we are coming up with related to AI and recruitment, which is like the biggest pain point of any business, by the name of ZepCruit. And it's an end-to-end AI-enabled recruitment platform for job seekers as well as the any business organization. So yeah, I mean, it's AI-enabled. Recruitment usually takes around 60 to 70 days in today's time. That's the standard. But we're trying to reduce it to 5 days. And our vision is to actually, if a candidate applies for a job today 10 a.m., he should land a job by tomorrow 10 a.m. So that's the vision for ZepCruit. WeFire will, I mean, the vision still continues to be the leader in fire suppression system for the machine tool industry.
Thank you so much for talking to us. I would also like you to give a small introduction about yourself and your company designation and.
Yeah, my name is Rohit Warrior. I am the founder of WeFire and a couple of other brands, Zipline, which was also there on Shark Tank, and the third brand, which is ZepCruit. That's about me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.